Hello watchers, here is the Charged Iron, and I am here to give you small tips and tricks on giving a speech. 5 things are very important while giving a speech. First is pauses. While you give a speech, you need to have frequent pauses as the listener can understand what you're speaking, can grab or digest what you're speaking so that he also feels that he's in the flow. Facial expressions, so that your expression should be very strong and also very energetic, so that the person who's listening should think that he's energetic, or he or she is energetic and is ready to give a speech and or is saying the truth, so that the other person can easily trust you. Language, body language. Yes, body language is very important. Gestures, hand gestures, putting your hand up, moving a little, but the most important thing, eye contact. Eye contact and body language are connected to each other, as we have to use both of them simultaneously. So when your body is moving, gestures, you have to put your hand gestures, you need to talk, your tone should be nice, pauses should be there, facial expression should also be there. And I said tone right now. Tone means your tone should be very light. It shouldn't be very high. Light means it shouldn't be like, okay, or you're speaking very fast or very like out of mind, nobody can understand what you're speaking, or not even very angry. Like, hey, this is my speech. No, relax. Your speech should have normal and like energetic tone, and eye always straight or to your audience, or if you are online, so to your camera, because when you are giving a speech, the listener should think that he is in the flow with your speech, or he is understanding what you are saying. For all this, you need all the 5 points together. I'll repeat: pauses, facial expressions, body language, eye contact, and lastly the tone. Remember these 5 points while giving a speech. This can help you a lot. Thanks, and signing off.